Alright guys, welcome back. Let's just get to the video. So I'm going to start off by adding a circle and a hexagon, which is basically a six-sided shape. To add a circle, go to the left or press the ellipse tool, or by pressing the shortcut L on your keyboard. Draw the circle. Once done, then I'll go again in the same tab from where we selected the ellipse tool, and from there go down and select the polygon tool. I'll click anywhere on the screen and then make sure it's a six-sided shape, press enter, and there we have it. I'm going to center align both of these, the circle and the hexagon. So the idea really here is to create shapes out of these two combinations. And as for the size of these two objects, it's all about eyeballing until where I get what I want. And that's pretty much the first thing I want to achieve. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all select the line tool and then draw a straight line like this. Then I'll select the hexagon and this line and go into the align tools. And from here I want to align them according to the key object or the shape. I'll choose hexagon as the key object, and then back from here the align tools, I'll align the straight line to the top of the hexagon. Done. Then I'll just copy and paste this line, and then I'll push it towards the lower end of the hexagon by going again in the align tools and aligning it to the bottom. As you can see, once we go into the align tools, choose the key object, and then I'll align it to the bottom of the hexagon. Then I'll copy and paste these both lines in its place by pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl F to paste in place. And then I'll rotate them by 60 degrees so they align with the other edges or the other straight lines of the hexagon. Once done, I'll do it again and align these two lines again to the other two sides of the hexagon. Now comes the most important part, which is about combining the shapes. And for that, select all the shapes. Let's choose the shape builder tool and draw out and combine the shapes just the way I'm doing here on the screen by combining certain parts. And now with the shape builder tool still selected, I'll press Alt to bring minus sign on, and then I'll delete all these extra line on the outside. Now let's once again select all the shapes and again select the shape builder tool. I'll zoom in a bit and I'll combine these smaller shapes to give it a proper final shape that I want. Now it's time to choose colors. For that, I'll first go into the swatches and from the library choose the gradients and then finally the brights. Let's just dot these on the right side up here. Then I'll fill these gradients one by one in each of these shapes that we have made. As you may see on your screen, let's just give this hexagon a white color. Once done, let's select them all and let's just go here on the left side in the strokes and remove strokes from all these shapes. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add symbols and text here. To add symbols, go to the right side here and click on this symbol here on the top right side here. From there in the symbols, you can draw out all the pre-made symbols and use them the way you want. Let's close these, select them all, right click, and don't forget to press break link to symbols. Now let's just select them all and turn them into black color. Then let's just one by one place them in their respective positions to fill up the space. I'll then turn their color to white. Yeah, I'll just change from black to white. Now it's all about adding the text. Let's for that go and select the text tool here or press the T, and on the empty space on the screen, let's just draw out like this. This will give us free placeholder text to use. I'll go in the properties, center line, change the font, and make few adjustments to make it the way I want it to be. I'll also give it white color, and then one by one I'll copy paste it in each of these shapes to fill up the space. Finally, I just want to make a few more adjustments to the color. And now we are getting closer to the completion, but it's not yet done. Let's write the word infographic design. I'll choose the bold type of the font named Myriad Pro. Let's pull it in here in the center and center align it. So this pretty much gives us what we want. Let's just give it a nice background and I think we'll be done. Hope you liked what you saw. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for being with us.